So let's take it in this way. Now you are running Amazon ads advertisement in Amazon for a longer time. Let's assume at least, okay. So what happens is, suppose there is a shop. Suppose there is a shop and there is 2 customers in that shop. And in that shop there is a product, and there's a lot of products, okay. There's a lot of products. And the first customer tells the shop owner that if you give me any product, I am okay with that. And the second customer comes and tells the shop owner that no, I want only that specific one. No matter how much you are going to charge me, I am going to give you the charge, but I want that one only. Now the shop owner, if suppose that product that the second customer is willing to purchase, even by paying a little bit higher amount, if there is only 1 unit of that product, what the shop owner will do? He will give that 1 unit to the second customer that is willing to pay more for that particular product, as he is determined that he wants only that one. Whereas the first customer, he is happy to take any product. So the shop owner will give him the other products, right? So the same thing happens with Amazon. Amazon has a very limited ads placement inventory. And suppose you give Amazon, you are not optimizing your placements and you are just setting your bid, and you're allowing Amazon to just show, okay, I am okay whether you show me for top of the search or product page placement or rest of the search. Show me wherever you can, okay. And the second customer or the second seller comes there and tells Amazon, no, I want that one particular spot, top of the search. I am bidding extra for that. Now for which customer Amazon is going to give the top of the search placement? Because Amazon has a limited ads inventory placements, ads placements. So obviously the seller that is bidding for that placement only and determined to only take that placement, he is going to win that placement because there is no other bidder for that placement. So that is why we need to create campaigns based on placements. Now when I go deep dive into this, obviously from the starting, there are some instances where you need to create campaigns based on top of the search, product page or rest of the search for some keywords or for some search terms. Whereas there are some keywords that we use for SEO purposes, for SEO organic ranking. We don't do the top of the search product page placement because we can't run so many top of the search product page placements. Now at the end, I am also going to share one of the strategies that we are using so that you can be confident that, okay, I want to use this and implement this strategy.